Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 30th August and I will cover all the current affairs of the day and with details. Don't skip the video and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. Question 1. On which day National Sports Day is celebrated? A option 23 August, B option 26 August, C option 29 August, D option none of the above. And the right answer is C option 29 August. Let us, if we relate to other option, 23 August is the National Day of Remembrance of Slave Trade and its abolition. 26 August is the Women's Equality Day. 29 August marked the 150th birth anniversary of India's hockey legend Mayor Dhyan Chand. He was popularly known as Wizard of India Hockey and he was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1956 by Government of India. Currently, our sports minister is Kiren Rijiju, and on this day, National Teacher Award is given to Sudha Penuli. Let us discuss some of the important events in the month August. 1 to 7th August is World Breastfeeding Day. 2nd August is Friendship Day. 6th August is Hiroshima Day. 7th August is National Handloom Day. 8th August is Quick Movement Day. 9th August is Nagasaki Day. World Tribal Day. International Day of World's Indigenous People. 10th August is World Biodiesel Day. World Lion Day. 12th August is International Youth Day. World Elephant Day. 13th August is International Left Handers Day. World Organ Donation Day. 14th August is Pakistan Independence Day. 15th August is Independence Day. 19th August is World Photography Day. World Humanitarian Day. 20th August is World Mosquito Day. Sadbhavana Divas and Indian Akshar Urja Day. 23rd August is International Day for Remembrance of Slave Trade and its abolition. 26th August is Women's Equality Day. 29th August is National Sports Day. 30th August is Small Industry Day and 31st August is Hari Mantega, which is Malaysia National Day. Next question. Where did NCPUL World Urdu Conference held recently? A option New Delhi, B option Mumbai, C option Kolkata, D option Bangalore. And the right answer is A option New Delhi. NCPUL is National Council for Promotion of Urdu Language, which is held from 27 to 28 August 2020. The inaugural of two-day-long conference was virtually addressed by Union Education Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank to honor Urdu literacy and to promote the Urdu language. Recently in the news, the Rahat Indori, which is who was a popular shairi, had passed away from due to heart attack. He was from Indore. Next question. How much year did PMJDY completed? A option 4 years, B option 5 years, C option 6 years, D option 7 years. And the right answer is C option 6 year. PMJDY is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, which is completed 6 year and it was launched on August 28, 2014. The objective of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is to ensure access to financial services, namely banking or savings and deposit accounts. remittance, credit, insurance, pension in an affordable manner. The slogan of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is Mera Khata Bhagya Vidata, and it is operated by the Department of Financial Services under the Union Finance Ministry, and our Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitaram. Next question: which country India back infrastructure? A option Sri Lanka, B option Maldives, C option Russia, D option none of the above. And the right answer is B option Maldives. Maldives launched India back infrastructure project, that is Hulhu Mel Central Park and renovation of the Arafat Jetty in Maldives. The capital of Maldives is Male and the currency is Maldian Rupiah. The president is Ibrahim Mohammad Soli. Next question: which union minister launched integration of ICAR IIHR seed portal Yono Krishi web application? A option Piyush Goyal, B option Nirmala Sitaram, C option Narendra Singh Tomar, D option none of the above. And the right answer is C option Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar, who is the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, virtually launched the integration of State Bank of India YONO, which is you only need one precious platform with government's online seed portal, Indian Council of Agriculture Research and Indian Institute of Horticulture Research to help the farmers in increasing the crop production along with the crop quality and income generation. About ICAR and IIHR, the director of it is Dr. M.R. Dinesh, and the head office is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let us move to next question. Which the Japanese player announced retirement from badminton? A option Ayaka Takashi, B option Misaki Matsutamo, C option Christina Pedersen, D option none of the above. And the right answer is A option Ayaka Takashi. Ayaka Takashi is the Japanese player who won gold medal, the first gold medal in badminton in Japan in Rio Olympics in 2016. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and the currency is Japanese yen. Yesterday I have told that the Prime Minister of Japan has stepped out due to the health issue. Next question: which state launched Irada's campaign? A option Sikkim, B option Jammu and Kashmir, C option Assam, D option Karnataka. And the right answer is B option Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, Dr. Sagar D. Typhoid, Doda District Deputy Commissioner, launched Irada campaign to include eligible left out beneficiary, those who are not entitled to various social welfare schemes, which includes old age pension, widow and handicap scheme, was launched Irada campaign to include the eligible left out beneficiaries. In other words, the campaign is for 100% coverage other social welfare scheme. Let us know about Jammu and Kashmir. The Lieutenant Governor is Manu Sinha and the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in winter is Jammu and in summer is Srinagar. Next question: which country has released declassified video of largest ever hydrogen bomb blast? A option South Korea, B option Sri Lanka, C option Russia, D option none of the above. And the right answer is C option Russia. Russia released a 40-minute video of detonation of the world's most popular hydrogen bomb. The bomb was called the Tsar bomb and it is believed to be 3,333 times more destructive than that of the Hiroshima Nagasaki atom bombs. Little Boy and Fat Man. The hydrogen bomb was first tested over. The capital of Russia is Moscow and the president of the country is Vladimir Putin. The prime minister is Mikhail Mishustin and the currency is Russian ruble. Next question. Which state is to set up skill university at Mangalore? A option Gujarat, B option Assam, C option Sikkim, D option Goa. And the right answer is B option Assam. The Assam capital passed a resolution to set up a skill university at Mangalore in Assam with an investment of rupees 900 crores. The other decisions taken at the capital are as follows. People of Assam can apply for Group 3 and Group 4 exams up to 40 years. The capital of Assam is Dispur and the governor is Jagdish Mukhi and the chief minister is Sarbananda Sonowal. If you like the current affairs, then hit the like button. Let's move to next question. Next question. Which state or union territory government launched Healthy Body, Healthy Mind fitness campaign for students confined in homes? A option Haryana, B option Punjab, C option Delhi, D option Andaman and Nicobar. And the right answer is C option Delhi. Delhi government launched the fitness campaign Healthy Mind, Healthy Body, Healthy Mind for the students who were confined in their homes because of the lockdown imposed on school and colleges due to COVID-19 pandemic. About Delhi government is Lieutenant Governor is Anil Baijal and the Chief Minister is Arvind Kejriwal. The Deputy Chief Minister is Manish Sisodia. Next question. Which bank announced purchase and sale of government security under OMO worth rupees 20,000 crore? A option SBI, B option RBI, C option PNP, D option SCBI. And the right answer is B option RBI. RBI, which is Reserve Bank of India, announced a simultaneous purchase and sale of government security under open market operation for an aggregate amount of rupees 20,000 crore in two equal tranches of rupees 10,000 crore on August 27, 2020 and September 3, 2020 on account of current and evolving liquidity and market condition. The headquarters of RBI is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. The last question is who launched mobile app DGNCC for NCC training? A option Smriti Irani, B option Amit Shah, C option Rajnath Singh, D option Yogi Adityanath. And the right answer is C option Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh is our currently defense minister and he launched the apt DGNCC, which is Directorate General National Cadet Corps, which is a mobile training app which helped in conducting a countrywide online training for the National Cadet Corps. The headquarters of NCC is in New Delhi and the Director General of NCC is Lieutenant General Rajiv Chopra. These are some of the current affairs that I have listed for your exam. If you like my style of teaching and current affairs, then don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends, and don't go without subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.